I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking the yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Hello everyone, it's so nice to see you guys again. Yeah, that sounds a little fake, but hey everyone, my name is Tricia and this is Sincerely.Cia, and I just want to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. So thankful because I just started taking YouTube seriously this year, even though I haven't posted in a month. But yeah, I started posting more videos in January of 2021, and you know, I am so surprised as to how one of my videos has blown up, and thanks to you, all of you who wanted to see my content. I am so happy that you guys enjoy my content. But anyway, let's get into this video. Let's go. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, if you like my content, why not join the fam? You feel me? If you don't like my content, then that's fine. You know, you could skedaddle. It's whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, let's now get into the video. So I know that there's this whole controversy on social media about wearing a bonnet. Don't come here with that energy. But right now I'm starting off spraying my hair with some water just to you know, get my hair a little softened up for the style that I want to do and what I'm gonna do next. Now that I've dampened my hair with the spray bottle, I'm gonna go ahead with this pick that I got from the beauty supply store. I think it was like $1 and some change. I'm just gonna pick out my hair so that there's no, I mean, it doesn't really make sense to pick out your hair. It is a choice. I just like picking out my hair because I don't want my hair to start dreading if I don't style it for too long. After I do that, I'm just gonna take any moisturizer. This isn't really a moisturizer, it's kind of a curl cream, but you can use a moisturizer of your choice. I'm just using this because this is what I had on hand and I need to buy more moisturizer. So I'm just gonna moisturize my hair over here, as you can see. Okay, so this is where the actual prepping of my hair begins. I'm gonna take a paddle brush and just brush all my hair back. I mean, it's not gonna be the flattest unless you want to use gel, but I prefer not to use gel on my whole head because I just don't like the feeling of gel stuck up in my hair. So, you know, like I just brush it back slightly just to get out the knots ×2 after the pick. Now, I know I told y'all that I don't like the feeling of gel in my whole head, but we're gonna take this gel and just put a little bit in the front of our hair towards our edges just to sleek it back a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Well, for me, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't know about anybody else, but you know, pictured hair, you know, I'm just slicking it back like I'm doing a slick back. Don't be nervous. Let me know in the comments if you think my edges are going, because sometimes I feel like my edges are fading. So let me know in the comments if you think so too. I won't feel offended unless you try to violate me. I know y'all see it coming along, you know, just trust the process. You know, I'm stuttering. But if you want a more sleek look, you can always just put the gel, more gel. So now you're gonna take your stocking cap. It could be old, new, hole inside, just whatever stocking cap you have, and you're gonna put that on like regular like a regular wig, and you're just gonna push the front back as far back as you want. At this point, I just pushed it back a little bit as demonstration. And I had to fix it up a little bit, so you know. that I got it on Aliexpress. If any one of you want to know exactly where I got the wig, because I mean, this is not sponsored, so if you want to know where I got the wig, just let me know and I'll tell you in the comments and I'll tell you all the details. But they ain't paying me for this, so I'm not finna promote no more stuff. Cause they ain't paying me, you feel me? So just like you would a regular wig, you're gonna put it on, you know, regular degla. And this is a headband wig. So this is not a regular lace wig. It's not a lace front wig. It's a headband wig. So surprise! You already knew that. At this point, I feel like I've been talking a lot. So I'm just gonna let the video play out because the rest of the video is just me showing y'all how I style the wig and, you know, basic stuff. And I'm going to show you guys the products, and yeah. I am back, and I just want to let y'all know that this headband wig is a game changer. I may be late to the club, but I'm here. You feel me? I'm here. And this is so easy. It takes like 10 minutes, 15 minutes max, and it really gets the job done. So I'm gonna do my edges and I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the final result. I really like this wig specifically because the tracks don't show as much. So that's pretty bomb. And thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.